What's up, guys? It's me, Captain Everything Fun, and welcome back to another Friday Fun Day. Now, the original plan was, last week or the week before that, preferably, to, make a different video, not Friday Mine Day, because, well, like I said, my grandma's passing. She is thankfully still alive, as far as I'm aware. She might be fine. There is now a chance she could be fine. It was nice to get to talk to her a few times. But, yeah, there's no but. That's why I was originally just going to upload a different video, but, I was getting upset, and then I just started to, relax, try and recover, and by the time that I recovered, I forgot that I needed to make a video. But now I've remembered, so now, you basically just missed out on Friday Mine Day. But that's okay, because I might discontinue Friday Mine Day soon. I'm just not a huge fan of it. It's just a lot of stressful work for me. So I'd rather not go through that every second week. So we'll see. Maybe next Friday Mine Day could be the last Friday Mine Day. And then by years later, we might be like, oh my gosh, I remember Captain Everything Fun used to do Friday Mine Day. Memories. Yeah, it will probably just fade into memories. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Well, let's crack on with a little bit more jibber jabber. You may notice over there, my Rivendell set is actually complete. If you don't know what Rivendell set I'm talking about, it's the one I got for my birthday. It's that one. But you may also notice that I'm building more Legos. Am I adding something to the Rivendell set? And what's this box? This doesn't look like the Rivendell box. I can't pick it up, so I'll just show you a picture. I am now building that set right there. Right there. The Lego Death Star. Now, it's pretty difficult to get your hands on it. You can only really get it like second hand, so the box is a bit dinged up actually, but this thing's a beast. Anyway, if you want me to do a review of like Legos and stuff, maybe that's what can replace Friday Mine Day, but that would have to be like, not super often, because Legos are expensive. Because capitalism. Why charge so much for a box full of plastic? Colored bits of plastic. Anyways, that's not the topic of today's video. Now, I was gonna do something else. I was gonna do a game called Solar Smash, which is pretty much you can use a bunch of different weapons to destroy a bunch of different planets and whatnot. That video is coming soon. Maybe you can put in my Discord some ideas for Solar Smash videos, because one thing stopping me from doing that is I'm not really sure what kind of video to make. Anyways, I've been jabbering for like 4 minutes now, just blah 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 blah. Today we're gonna be playing Garten of Banban. I know it's just controversial, blah blah blah, but I don't see a problem. Why are you getting so worked up over a horror game? Seriously, leave the Euphoric Brothers alone. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. Disclaimer: this game contains frightening imagery, flashing lights, and loud noises. Viewer discretion is advised. Right, so here we are in Garten of Banban. Now, yeah, there's Garten of Banban 2, Garten of Banban 3, and Garten of Banban 4 is coming soon. But we got Garten of Banban 2 and 3, so those will come soon. me playing those will come soon. You can buy the games now. Garten Of Banban doesn't cost money, but 2 and 3 cost a little bit of money. Anyways, I keep blabbering. Anyways, so yes, the game does have music, but copyright. So I can't play the music. Well, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's copywritten, maybe it's not. But I want to be on the safe side, so that's why Chuki Beats is just playing right now. So let's press new game. You hear that? Little kids having fun. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. The door's open. There's something at the door. The lights have gone off. I don't know what that was about. So here's all the characters that we're gonna see. Surely we're gonna see all the characters in this game, right? Surely they're not gonna leave any for the sequel. Surely they're gonna show all these characters in this game, right? Wrong. Only the green guy and the pink bird. Yes, I know their names. Jumbo, Josh, Opila Bird. Alright, I've played the game before, okay? So I kind of know what I'm doing. Kind of being the key word. Wait, let's just explore. Boots, characters. Okay. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Stinger Flynn sounds like a nice guy. Okay. Nothing else in this room. Well, except colorful tables and an empty vending machine. 2 empty vending machines. What's the use of an empty vending machine? Banban's kindergarten. That's why it's called Garten of Banban. Kindergarten of Banban. That makes sense. I knew that. Alright, well, here's a key card. It's a blue key card, and this looks like a blue key card scanner thing. And that's because it is. Whoa. Okay, there's a drone and a remote. Wait, do we get to control a drone? The remote requires 2 batteries. Oh, come on. I mean, I don't think there's any. Oh, I was gonna say I don't think there's any in the cafeteria, but there are. Anyway, yeah, I love nummy batteries for lunch. Yeah, who would leave batteries in the cafeteria? And yeah, it does. Press left mouse toy. Press left mouse button to use your toy. Press right mouse button to teleport your toy to the nearest room. Wait, do we actually get to control the drone? Controls can be accessed at any time in the portion. How do we access the button? Maybe left click? Wait, what? What the? Oh, no way! We actually get to control the drone! No flipping way. So I'm guessing we gotta do this one as well. No way, that's actually, you can actually control the drone? I just tripped over the track. That's Opila Bird. Opila, however you want to pronounce it. Banbalina says, so she's Banbalina. Banbalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. That's nice. And Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga booga.
What?
Ooga. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Okay, so I guess that means we can't do this. Nope, we can't do that. We have to send it in like that. This looks like a classroom. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Guys, you know what a pancreas is, right? It's this thing in your body. Does this guy eat pancreases? For God's sake. Right. Naughty corner. Yep, so. Something tells me we're missing some kind. Oh, yeah, we are missing a key card. This is blue. We already got a blue key card. Ding! Oh. 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 What's this area? Opila Bird mission. Opila Bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Oh, for God's sake, we're gonna go on a scavenger hunt. Find eggs. Is this an egg? Yeah, it is. Okay. 1. Oh wait, what's this? Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. What's the point of that? 2, 3. Oh, another keycard thing. Pluto? Oh, I think it might have activated this button. Alright, the drone's over there. Let's get it over here. Move it, drone. Whoa! An egg just rolled down the slide. Okay. 4. 5. 6. Pardon my family. The video was sped up so that you wouldn't get bored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we get, what's that? A yellow key card. Now we can do the yellow keycard scanning thingies, such as that one right over there. Ow! Just tripped over tables and shit. Woohoo! Get in here, drone. We need to press this button right now. Press it. Go, 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 go. Yeah! Ow! I just tripped over that. Anyway, I keep tripping! What I'm trying to say is this has opened, so now we got a note. Distraction at 1. What's that mean? Anyway, we got a hammer, so I guess we can use this to break the boards over here. Oh, my head hurts from all the yelling. Well, those are off the... Move! Press space to jump. Yeah, I figured that already. Opila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. For God's sake. Right. What do we do? No. What do we do here? I think this. That would make sense. Press that and... Oh! And this comes down. And I guess we can jump on it. Yep. I guess we wait here. Oh, we pressed that. Whoa, that hit scared me. It was like, you heard it, right? Yeah, I think we all heard it. What's that noise? And what are those bloody bird feet? Footprints from a bird feet. bloody. What the? Alrighty. I think we should get our drone in here just to be on the safe side. Where's my droney? Where is it? Oh, here it is. What? What was my color? I think this guy was red. I'm pretty sure she was white. Why does everything have to be about race? Yeah, okay. I think that guy was green. Ah, yes, okay. Pretty sure she was pink. That was pink. But no, Opila Bird I think is a she. Am I seriously just assuming gender? I thought I was better. Right, this short little guy. I think he was blue. I might be wrong. And this guy. Oh, ow. Ow, ow, blooper, I banged my arm. Ow. I think this guy was orange. Oh, well, I guess I got it right. What was that? The bird coming. Don't think so. Oh! Orange. She card. My gosh, what's this? Alone, I wanna. But anyone miss me? Everyone at our party without me. Miss Manson see me, but God, I am scared because hold is loud. Is loud and my friends screaming it, but a bird is funny. Oh gosh, Opila Bird is right there. Right there. Hurry up. Go, Droney. Well done, Droney. Oh gosh, chase music. Yeah, I already figured that out. Shift to sprint. Okay, emergency stop. Hold shift to sprint. Yeah, I already figured that out. Okay, so we got an orange key card. Was there an orange door? Yeah, look, orange. Yeah, I got it right. Get in here, Droney. We might need you. Right, it's all well and dandy, but what do I do? Oh. Boarding pass. Name Usman Adam. Class E. From Montreal MTL. Destination Madrid MDD. Gate B13. Seat D2. Date 23/10/2016. Okay, this game is set in 2016, I guess. Boarding times 3:23 AM or PM. Well, it's 3, not 1500, so I guess AM. Present at check-in. Alright. Now, just what do we do with the Drunken Sailor? What should we do with the Drunken Sailor? What should we do with the Drunken Sailor? Oh, here we go. Keycard. Oh, and then this button turns on and we can press it. Press it, press it, press it. Yes! Got it. What's that do? Press this. Oh, what the? Where's the floor going? What the? What the? An elevator. with a chair on it. That's kidding. I think that chair was on the floor, and then it just went down with it. I think that's what happened. I guess we scan the key card. I mean, there's not much else to do. Swinging shut. This gate is broken. Down we go into the creepy abyss. What's going on? I'm scared. Whoa! What was that? Someone just burped. Someone just burped. Ah! What the? Ah! What the heck? It's the green guy! It's the Jumbo Josh guy! Ah! What the heck? Ah! Ah! Whew. Oh, okay. I shouldn't have sighed because that didn't sound like a good thing. Thanks for playing. Get the sequel here. Garten of Banban 2. I have the sequel. We will play that in one of our Friday fun days. So then, should I just, like, if we do cancel Friday Monday, should I just call them videos or keep calling them Friday Fun Day? Yeah, I'll keep calling them Friday Fun Day, because what if we make another segment in the future? And yeah, Saturday Scene Day was also pretty much scrapped. Instead of rethinking it, I've just scrapped it. I mean, maybe. We'll see. Anyways, on to the outro. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound too good about, you know, canceling Friday Monday, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. The week after next week. We'll see how I feel next fortnight. What is going on with my hair? We'll see how I feel next fortnight if I feel like doing Friday Monday anymore. Because maybe I won't want to do it. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join my Discord. Link in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye guys.